Bottom, no matter what I do, will not open without tripping it. And I haven't removed the lower, so I can't trip it yet. I mean, let's even try the key fob. No? Okay. So, it don't look too bad, although it doesn't sound very well. I cut the belt because it was wanting, it's in the radiator support so far that it doesn't want to spin over easily. Like 2,000 amps on it. Yeah, that didn't sound very good. But there. Can't see the HUD. Oh yeah, there we go. Can y'all see that? Yeah, look at there. Put clear wrap over these windows and they work perfectly fine. Could have just powered it up and rolled them along. That's not a good sign, but let's try it. Oh, look at that. Not too bad.
You know how this story goes. I popped out with some horror hoes. You make the point at home. I got some tape in my phone. I'll take you to the home and quench your boy like Post Malone. Send me some love like options.